Alright, now let's go ahead and add other columns as well. So we are going to add here recovered and active cases. And for that, what we can do, we can simply copy it. And let's go ahead and paste it here. And then here we have active and the recovered cases. So this is going to be active, that's the A. And then here we are going to pass that's the recovered cases. So for the active cases, that should be actually the active. And this X should be also active. And then the text should be, that text also should be active. And then we have their recovered cases. So this should be recovered. Let's go ahead and copy it, paste it here as well, and then finally here. What we get here for the recovered cases, we need to pass here sequences. That's we have their rec. All right, perfect. So we have active cases, and then we have, actually this was not the right decision to put this sequence there. What we can do there, if you remember here, we had CNF for the confirmed cases. Alright, so let's go ahead and make that CNF, and that's the death. There we have active cases, and then finally we have here recovered cases. Now we need to add those traces here. Let's go ahead and add those traces here. So we have there for active cases A, and then for recovered cases. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put the recovered cases first and then the active cases. So in this recovered cases, I'm going to put their row is equal to 2 and their row is equal to 2 as well. And then I'm going to pass there a new title. So there the first one is actually the recovered. That should be recovered cases, and then we have their active cases. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Now once you run it, you will get their death, confirmed death reported, confirmed cases, death reported, recovered cases, and active cases. Let me see what is going wrong here. I think these confirmed and death cases has gone a little wrong here perhaps. I think I think something is wrong. Let me see what's wrong here. What we can do, we can make it again active cases and then see what happens there perhaps. Well, so all those comes like active cases, this death and this one, that should not have like that. And then we have their death cases. Then let's say put it to the, this is the recovered cases, that's okay. We are gonna change here for the active cases. So I'm gonna put there has 43, 43 and 43. Let's go ahead and run it. So we get it here. This is the active cases. We have their recovered cases and confirmed cases, and then the death cases. Still it is not resolved. Alright, so it seems there is some bug inside that. Anyway, if you are also getting this kind of a bug, you can create a question in Q&A section. I'll try to answer those questions. But in any way, you have here confirmed cases, death reported, recovered cases, and the active cases. So you see this chart is led by the US, and currently around it has 1.3 million active cases in United States. And I think it seems the data is getting same for the death reported and confirmed cases. Let me see what is wrong. I think something is wrong here. Yes, so that's the wrong is here. So that should not be like that. So this is for confirmed. then we should plot it for the death here. All right, so let's go ahead and run it. Now we get here. All right, so we have here a confirmed cases, death reported, recovered cases, and the active cases. Perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can add more plot in this subplot, like new cases and cases per million people. All right, see you in next lesson.